using this road.
Yeah, I'll bet you that.
Oh my God, you can see the creek on the other side.
See if you can see it over there. If it's
Oh yeah, I think I do, honey. Wait, no road at all. This is worse than when it flooded before.
Yes, it is.
So this is like a flood of ages kind of thing right now?
Yeah, well in 2006 it flooded.
Green Cottage Bridge is still above. You can see the bridge is still above water, but it's looking pretty flooded. That's the trail. Yeah. That's some sketchy as shit. One fallen bay tree. Snap, crackled, and popped. That's the road. That's the river. Not much of a difference now. I hope the damn bay tree doesn't get flown away. Look at that. Other side of bay tree, there's a lot of moss in the air. Quite peculiar. It's all flooded. There's a rock slide. The other side of the river here. Here we are at the forks. Very slimy. But yeah, the bridge is still up. Can't really tell how fast it's moving. Boy, it's going fast. Dude, pretty dope, dude. That looks fucking dope.